Struggling with the integrated writing task on the TOEFL? Let me break it down step by step and give you key tips to succeed. You'll begin by reading a 300-word academic passage in 3 minutes. These topics typically cover life science or history, so get used to academic-style content. The reading will make several key claims. Next, you'll listen to a 2.5-minute lecture, but here's the catch: it won't agree with the passage. The speaker will challenge or even refute the key points from the reading, so your job is to catch those disagreements. Finally, you have 20 minutes to write. The key is to summarize how the lecture opposes the reading, point by point. Don't add your opinion or extra details. Focus on the relationship between the two sources. Here's the pro tip: always organize your essay in this order: reading point, lecture counterpoint, and explanation. If you want more practice, LingoLeap has over 4,000 TOEFL questions, including integrated writing prompts to help you master this. Like, subscribe, and let's crush the TOEFL together.